until we go here.
That's
right, but up here? No, I don't think so.
You first.
Whatever you did good because you repeat your position with the same. You see, this is. You didn't shoot here. 45. No. This is not 45. Maybe. Special. Now you this is the bullet. The X. So the difference of the bullet between 9 and 45. It doesn't matter. It doesn't 45. That's the 9s. It's okay. This. Breaking.
Good.
That's already like 10 now.
Is this okay?
Did you pull back?
Oh.
But the main is if you're not gonna fire from your opponent or anybody who's doing threat on you,
I know.
at least they know that you're
It's empty.
Okay. Check.
I
Check.
enjoy that.
Check. Open. Pull. Oh, you still have one in there. Okay. Now you're empty. Empty.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you want to push this button down. Down. Put another. Yes. Put another way up. Push that down. Down. There you go. No, no, good. No, no.
And then always make sure that
Okay.
it's all about
No, empty.
Empty.
Now push the button down. Remember, right here.
Oh, okay.
Down.
okay.
Okay. Put another one. No, you go.
You
Keep
go.
going.
No.
Keep going. Go.
Right hand, and you're right with your right hand, your signature. Try to stick with that.
Okay.
Close one eye naturally. You close your left eye naturally.
Empty.
Yeah, left eye.
Maybe.
Yeah. So if you close that, then you're all right eye, right hand. You're already centered. That's fine. You just gotta hold the gun
No good.
right, squeeze the trigger right,
Yeah, no good.
and do it all over.
Okay.
Okay. No, you're good. You're good. You're good. Go ahead and shoot.
So, how about
You shoot.
You sure?
No, no.
Oh.
That's okay.
go ahead and pick up your gun.
Now, with the left or right?
You want to go with right hand, right?
Yeah.
You want to go like this. This thumb up. Get your left hand goes like this. Your wrist is right here. Close to your fingers like that. There you go. This thumb rests here. This thumb pressing on the plastic. Then we're going to eye level. Oh, you are? Careful, you guys can't do that. Probably if I need to get some.
Okay, now see how it's open?
Oh,
That means no more bullets.
Yes, empty.
Empty.
Like that, and your fingers right there. Don't squeeze so hard. You actually aim for the middle, like right this is the number 5. You want to put this
Mas
in
magaan
between here,
to. It's
cover
lighter.
half of the target.
No?
And the only thing you should see is the top half.
Yeah,
Everything else is being covered by the gun. So if you really want to aim for that
that's
5,
okay.
cut the target in half.
Mayroon din natin.
And if you want to really aim for the middle, use the front
Okay.
sight and focus on the square margin. Don't worry about the orange green side, a circle,
There you go.
black edges, and see how sharp that is. The only thing you're going to do is the front sight. Everything else is blurry, even this. So if you're really concentrating and you're going to treat the trigger very slowly, your gun's not going to move. You're gonna get the move.
Okay, drop the mag. Drop the mag. No, no. Release.
Oh.
Drop the mag. Take the mag out. Okay, now pull it back.
There. See this gap? You want to close
Okay.
that gap. You're
Frank like every day.
bring the gun up to the level.
No, yep, yep. Yes.
Head.
It's loaded. It's loaded.
I wouldn't shoot it like this. I'd rather. That's just me. That's the thing.
But this,
That's why
the best is
if you have more control, you gotta hold it like this. I don't. When I shoot shotgun, I'd rather have a stock. Like on the shoulder. So like I said, long guns and handguns are different. Handguns you can get away with easier. The shotgun or the rifle, either this or this. Two ways, that's it. If you're, talking about your eye dominance. Yeah.
So yeah, diba?
Are you guys still shooting?
Are we still shooting or do you want to call it?
I just want, I want you to shoot this, I think it's this. And then, a
Well,
few minutes.
like I said, if you shoot it like this, it's gonna, if you don't have good control, it's gonna hit you in the face. But this one here, maybe better, but obviously you're not aiming. It's gonna kick, you're not holding well. So if you hold off on this, the rifle is a little different. You can definitely shoot the rifle.
Not this
But
specific.
What?
this is your favorite.
I like
Did you already shoot it?
the, yeah.
Okay. No? No.
No, keep going.
Ayoko niyan.
Yeah.
Ang bigat
Personally, again, that's just my thinking. I'd rather have a stock. I'll shoot better. Because I can't. It's more like up close and everything. And I'm what we call it hip fire. You're aiming with your hip. Yeah. Accurate at doing this.
That's
If you practice enough, you can shoot this professionally like that. It just
Side.
takes time.
push.
You spend the time
Yeah.
in practice.
There you go.
You'll be
And
able
then
to
you
get
check.
it. But handgun and rifle, it's already ready to go.
Let's see.
Just need time and practice.
Shooting a little low. A little low. That's good though. Okay. All right there.
Oh,
All right there. Nice. Good job.
I put this one.
No?
So it's not.
Okay.
Oh, it's good. Good. Yep.
Yeah, because this reason would carry a weight on this area, so that when you fire,
Show her your shirt, please.
having
Huh?
a heavy point that goes,
Show her your shirt.
then you
Oh.
have a balance.
Wow.
When you see when you fire, you can see it's good. See?
Palitan na natin ate.
Okay, that's it. This is your holding.
What happened? Shooting.
You see, just before you shoot,
There you go.
dapat talaga meron.
Dapat, dapat pa lang ako sa bahay.
Yeah.
Oh, too low.
Uy, pwede pa to.
Ano ba yan?
Oo, sayang to.
That's all, empty.
Yeah, you can slip on these things, huh? There you go. Get the orange. No.
That's okay. Hey, look though, you got it.
The 9 range.
Nice.
Perfect. That was just to the right.